Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll learn how to add advanced custom field in a custom post type. So in our previous tutorial we already knew that how to create a custom post type, and we have created a custom post type called our services. So when you click on our services post type, you can see there are multiple posts has been already added. Now we are going to add advanced custom field for each of those. So in that case, just go click on custom field and click add new. So once you clicked on it, you can see the add new field group has been opened up. Just you can put a title called mm, options for our services post type. And here you can add multiple fields um, like contents. Field name should be unique always. Suppose this is a unique contents, and for the contents we need to select a field for basic editor. Okay, so this is for contents. We can use multiple field as per our requirement. So here we can use some field as an example, like a background image, and field name. This is the field name, and field types would be an image, and you can choose image array and image URL whatever you need, and background image. Also you can add more fields like button disclaimer, like this. The field name should be unique always, and field type you can use a basic editor. So we have added three fields for um, our custom post type, our services. So now we have to assign these fields for our services post type. So how we can assign these fields? So just scroll down, you can see in the location area it's called post type. Okay, just select our services and publish. So now once it's published, just go to our services custom post type. So here you can see we have added a 6 services as of now. So you just click on edit. Okay, so once you click on edit option, you can see the field we have created in the advanced custom field area. You can see it has already added here. So here you add a contents, you can use a background image and bottom disclaimer. So this is the way we can add advanced custom field options to the custom post type. Thank you.